Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to explore a specific music genre on Spotify, here's how you can easily add a genre to your music collection. First, go ahead and open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then use the Spotify search bar to look for your desired genre. Spotify curates playlists for almost every genre. Follow the one you like to have in your library. Explore Spotify's search tab for genre-based recommendations under Browse All. Then here, you can make a new playlist with the tracks from your favorite genre by adding songs or albums. And just like that, you're all set to dive deep into your favorite genre. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.